Hi, the last lesson for this week is a worksheet exercise working with Punnett squares. So obviously we went and did your marking attendance, you checked the forum, that's why you're listening to me now. And we're off to lesson 17. Um, okay, so lesson 17 is over here. And we want you to make sure that you watch the video with the Amoeba sisters. They go through key terms: allele, homozygous, heterozygous, dominant recessive, phenotype, and genotype. If those things you don't understand what those words mean, you do need to watch that. Otherwise, you cannot do Punnets. Okay, and then you've got one, two, three, four worksheets to do, and the solutions are there. The SpongeBox Genetics, I think, has the solutions already with it. So you've got plenty of work to do. To help you out, I've done a couple examples. One from the SpongeBob worksheet, and another one, I think it was number Punnett Squares 2. And then I use my 5 easy steps. Do those 5 steps every time, and you'll not have any problems with this section of work. So have a go at that and have a great weekend. Cheers.